For this one, we're now going to use the molar mass to convert from mass to moles and from moles to mass. So here are two of the questions that you would see. We're going to be using the molar mass as the conversion factor. I chose two of the substances that we already calculated the molar mass from the last video. So remember that molar mass you find by summing all of the atomic masses of the elements in the compound. So our first question, how many moles is 235 grams of Fe2O3? So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our given value, which is 235 grams. And I'm going to use an open parentheses until I put some information in there. Now, information that you need to complete this is the molar mass. We had already calculated that. The molar mass is 159.687 grams per mole. Now what we're going to do is put the units in. We're getting rid of grams, so I'm putting grams in the denominator. And we want to find how many moles. So I'm going to put moles in the numerator. Now this is 159.687 grams per every 1 mole. So this value, the atomic mass, or excuse me, the molar mass, goes with the grams. So we put the 159.687 on the denominator, and that's per every 1 mole. So we write this out like this, and now we can divide it. So it's going to be 235 divided by 159.687, and we're getting a value of 1.47. Now this number has 1, 2, 3 digits, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 digits. 1.47. And those units, grams, cancel, and that's 1.47 moles. All right, next one. How many grams is 0.739 moles of chlorine? Now, chlorine is diatomic, meaning there's two atoms, so we'd actually take the atomic mass of chlorine and double it because of that too. Anyhow, the molar mass of chlorine is 70.906, and remember we already calculated that. That value comes from the periodic table. Now we're going to write down our given information, 0.739 moles, and let's put our open parentheses. Now we want to find grams, so I'm putting grams here on the top. We're trying to get rid of moles, so we're trying to cancel those out, moles in the denominator. It's 70.906 grams per every 1 mole. So the 70.906 goes with the grams, and the 1 goes with the mole. Okay, so now this is telling us to multiply these two numbers. 0.739 times 70.906, and we get, once again, 3 digits, so 3 digits here, 52.4. So the moles cancel, leaving us with grams, and that would be 52.4 grams of that substance.